what is NFT and ERC-720 token exactly, how it works, how we can create it. These all things you will properly understand in these upcoming 5 minutes of this video. So for better experience, please like, subscribe and put the video in full screen and high speed. Let's say you have $1, so you can easily replace that $1 with another $1 because both $1 have same value. Every $1 will work as another $1 because both are same. This is called fungible. We can say that $1 is fungible. It means every item, or we can say every dollar, is replaceable with each other. Now just think about any art like painting, music or video. These are simply unique in themselves. You cannot compare them with each other, or you also cannot exchange them, because they have different values. Assume that you have any painting, so you cannot say that this is equal to another painting, because all paintings have their different values. Every painting is different from each other and not comparable. Simply these all items are unique. So this uniqueness of every item is called non-fungible. It means every item is unique and different from each other. So basically NFT means non-fungible token. Tokens that are not comparable with each other and we cannot exchange them with each other, those are NFT. So for creating NFT, we need to create tokens in such a way that every token will be unique to each other. So when we create such type of token that are unique and not comparable with each other, then those tokens are non-fungible tokens, or we can say NFT. And with these tokens we can attach anything like video, photo, music or any art. So basically this is the meaning of NFT, and ERC-721 tokens are standard for creating NFTs. So now let's understand that how these NFTs work. So basically when we create NFTs, so first we need to create smart contract for NFT that is based on ERC-721. I already explained you about smart contracts and token standards, so you can check those videos also. So we need to create smart contract in such a way that it generate unique tokens, and after creating smart contract properly, we need to deploy it on blockchain so it becomes immutable, transparent and nobody can change it. And then we need to link any photo, video or any art that we want to generate as NFT to the smart contract, because when someone buy NFT, then he or she will able to see that NFT. And when we deploy our smart contract to blockchain, then blockchain will provide us a unique address of our smart contract. So from that our smart contract will become unique. And also when we generate tokens, then we assign new ID to every token so that the token becomes unique, because the contract address of that smart contract is unique and then the ID is also unique. So that's why the token becomes unique. And after that we need to link any photo, video or any art that we want to create as NFT to that smart contract, or we can say that to that token, so that when someone buy our NFT, so he or she will able to see that NFT. And then we need to mint these NFTs, and after minting we can trade these NFTs on marketplace easily. Here every collection has unique address and we are generating every token with different IDs, so the token becomes unique, or we can say it becomes non-fungible. So then we can mint these NFTs, and after minting we can trade them on any marketplace. So now let's understand that how we can create our own NFT collection. So for NFT collection, first we need to create our NFT smart contract that is based on ERC-721 standard. So after creating smart contract properly, we need to deploy that smart contract on blockchain, and after that we need to create a website for our NFT where we can show all qualities and all details of our NFT. And also we need to create a mint page from where users can mint NFTs, and after minting NFT they can trade that NFT on marketplace. And also if you want to get my help in creating your NFT collection and minting website, so you can contact me. My contacts are in description. So now let's understand that why we need NFTs and what's our usage of it. So as we know that NFT means non-fungible token. So for providing uniqueness to any art or ensuring authenticity of any product, we can use NFTs. And also we create NFTs with smart contracts, so we can add extra features also in them like royalties and other features. So now let's tell you some usage of it. So as I already told you, we can provide uniqueness with NFTs to any art like painting, music or video. So we can create NFTs of them and then we can launch them. And also we can add them extra features like royalty, so that every time that item sold, so the creator will get extra benefit from that. And also we can use NFTs in gaming industries. We can connect any gaming character on any place with NFT so that it becomes tradable. Any user can buy or sell it after playing the game, and also it will provide uniqueness to every player. So by this way we can use NFTs in any game and we can provide more utilities to it. And also we can generate domain names with NFTs, because as we know domains are unique and also NFTs are unique, so we can generate domain names also with NFTs. And also we can do identity verifications with NFTs, because every person is unique and also NFTs are unique. So these were some of the uses of NFTs. There are also a lot of uses that we will cover in next videos.